9, and this is really important, technology is only as good as the people that use it. The best technology in the world is only as good as the people that use it. So you have to invest as much in the people using CRM and PRM as you do the technology itself. Maybe not from a financial perspective, but from a resource perspective. What we have done is partner with Evariant and Rachel and some of Rachel's colleagues to have them in front of our staff leading training sessions. So we've had them in here for day-long editorial training sessions to be able to say, in an old world, we wrote for editorial long-form content. In the future, we're writing for snippets, and we're deploying those snippets across different channels in sync with each other. We've had them work with our designers. So design was more retail friendly. It looked more like a Ford website than a healthcare website. And what does a user interface and a user experience look on our campaign websites and our campaign landing pages and our campaign guides and display ads? Because those things had to be different. Even things as simple as the example on here of rounded edges on a make an appointment button. There's not so many 90-degree angles. This looks like it could be delivered from an Amazon or a car company or a hospitality company. And they're being very, very direct, and we have to write to appeal to people's sense of consumerism. And lastly, and this is something that we've started doing just over the last few weeks, it's easy to sit in your healthcare system in a silo and have issues that you've worked through and have items as they come up and tackle them. It's another thing entirely to go to a conference and learn from other people who are going through the same exact thing that you are. So what we're going to do over the next 6 months and year on the team that we've just developed is send those people out to conferences and have them sit with Evariant and have them listen to other organizations and the trials and tribulations that they've had. But unless your staff get exposure to what other people are doing in the market, they don't know how to make the best of it. So it's really, really vitally important that we expose as many of our marketers to new age, retail-centric, data and digital-first communication as we possibly can.